Yeah. Now the above 5 old SDLC models, testing will come after coding only. Okay, the testing will come after coding only, and then the testing is conducted by the same developers. Testing is conducted by the same developers here. So now due to these two reasons, to these two reasons, 5 old SDLC models are outdated. Five old SDLC models are outdated. Now, for this reason, like we are following the advanced SDLC models here. Advanced SDLC models here. To release quality software, organizations are following, can follow advanced SDLC models. Advanced SDLC models. Okay, in these models, first point. Okay, what is the first point here? In 5 old SDLC models, testing will come after coding only. Now in this model, testing will come in each and every stage here. Testing will come in each and every stage. Okay, that means in requirements gathering, if the testing will come, see. That means in requirements gathering, the testing will be there. In analysis, testing will be there. In design testing will be there. In coding also testing will be there. Testing nothing but in anyway will be doing the testing here. In release also testing will be done here. So for each and every stage, testing will be present here. The compulsory, the separate like testing will be done in each and every stage to like here in order to overcome these scenarios. Like here I told you, right, the example that if the customer found one mistake in while using the software, then like the mistake is from new requirements gathering. Then at that time we cannot find where the issue is, and like in order to overcome these issues, okay, for each and every stage, the testing will be done. Okay, and here the testing. The second point is testing will be done by the separate testers here. Okay, there is no developer concept now. Testing is done by the separate testers. That's why you are learning testing now. Okay, testing is done by the separate testers here. That's why you are learning the testing, either manual or automation, it can be anything. Okay, this is about the drawbacks and the advantages of SDLC models here. Okay, now next one. What is the meaning of quality software here? What is the meaning of quality software? Already you know what is the meaning of software here. Okay, the software is nothing but here, like if you are running some set of executable programs running in an electronic device, then it is called software here. But what is the quality software here? Quality software means it should meet the customer requirements. Customer requirements, like suppose in smartphones, like some people may like iPhone. Why iPhone? Why iPhone? Why? Because it's a security. It's a security one. Even if the iPhone goes, the data will not be lost. Even if the iPhone, even if they theft the iPhone mobile, okay, the data will not. They will not lose that data, single data as well. Okay, that is a functionality or the performance here. So here, example. functionality. And the next one is meet customer expectations. Example, performance and security. Okay, performance and security. Customer expectations are nothing but security and performance. Okay, requirements are nothing but like suppose in iPhone, if you are using iPhone, then Truecaller will not be displayed in iPhone. Truecaller will not be there in the iPhone, but it will be there in the Android mobile. Okay, now if suppose if there's some if some people wants to know the calls while they are receiving the calls, they need to know which person is calling from. Like either it can be a bank from bank or from the person, which person, the name will be displayed in the Truecaller. So functionality wise, the Android mobile is better, but performance wise, the iPhone mobile is better. So here quality software means it should meet the customer requirements and it should meet the expectations as well. And one more thing is time. Okay, we should not take the time suppose now for example I am developing the software and I have given the timelines in this date in this date I have suppose I have committed the releasing the software to the customer, releasing the software to the customer. Then at that time we need to provide the timelines and we need to give the commitment to the customer that okay, we are releasing the software on time. Okay, now suppose if you are releasing the software, now I have given the timelines to release the software to the customer on May 8th. Okay, May 8th, 2023. Now if I am releasing the software to the customer on May 8th, 2024, then it's not like that time. We should maintain the time here. And time to release. Okay, whatever the proposed release date we mentioned, we need to release the software to the customer on time. Next one is advanced SDLC models. In this, first one is fish model. Okay, and the second one is V model. And the third one is Agile model. And the fourth one is DevOps model. Okay. Fish model. Any doubts till here?
No.
Okay, you are okay with this till here, right? Other two
Yes.
persons?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the fish model I will explain tomorrow. Why? Because if I explain it now, it will take 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. So I will explain tomorrow this one with a diagram and why fish model is suitable in satellites, then aeronautical, then health equipment, it is suitable only in satellites, aeronautical, health equipment, and robotics. Okay, robotics. It should maintain the 100% quality software. That's why fish model is suitable for all these 4 platforms here. Okay, satellites, aeronautical, health equipment, and robotics here. Fish model we are not using the fish model in any a web application testing, anything. Okay, fish model we are not using. We are using only the Agile model only. Okay, we are using only the Agile model only. Okay, we are not using this fish model. But for knowledge purpose, we need to explain fish model as well. Okay, tomorrow we will be explaining this one. Okay, let's meet at the same time tomorrow. or like at 9:30 p.m. IST. Okay.